Welcome back to Cooking with Tish. Today, what's on the menu? Tuna muffins. I'm going to show you how to make it. So, first, we have 2 cups of cooked rice. So we're going to begin with our rice. We're going to take our Pyrex glass dish for our rice. While we're cooking our rice, we're going to preheat our oven to 375. We're going to take our minute rice. We're going to pour 2 cups. Make sure it's open. 2 cups. 2 cups water. We're gonna mix that up. Mix it up. Okay. Microwave for 5 minutes. Today we're gonna use Colby Jack shredded cheese. We're gonna put in a cup of shredded cheese. You don't really have to measure this part. So we're just gonna measure with our hearts, or lack thereof, because I'm Morticia. We're going to drain 3 cans of tuna. I prefer the tuna that's in water, not in oil. What we're doing here is we're just gonna put everything into a bowl. But we didn't, so that's all that matters. We're gonna drain all of our tuna. Once we've drained all the water out of our cans, we're gonna add that to our bowl. Just throw it right in there. The smell of tuna is in the house. After we add tuna, we're gonna take some diced olives, sliced olives, whatever you prefer. The recipe calls for 3/4 of a cup, but I enjoy olives, so we're gonna add the whole thing. Why not? Why not, kids? Why not? Our rice is done cooking. Fabulous. Love it. We're gonna take a fork and we're gonna fluff that up. Make sure all the liquid is absorbed. Beautiful. Let that sit for a minute. Well, we add the rest of our ingredients. All right, next we're gonna add some dry chopped onions. Ooh. Okay. Again, measure with your heart. It says a tablespoon. Just adds more flavor. So I do 2 tablespoons. Next, we're gonna take parsley. Again, a tablespoon. Okay. Once the parsley is in, season salt. Okay. Perfect. Beautiful, fabulous. Here it is. One teaspoon. 2 eggs. We're gonna add our rice, all of it. All of our rice. Done preheating, perfect timing. Just gonna add all that in there. I'm gonna mix her all up. It's delicious. It's something that I've had since I was a child. Every person that has had this food, as long as you like tuna and olives, loves it. My daughter loves it. This recipe's probably from 1807. Tried and true. tried and true little monsters. Now we're gonna take our cupcake pan and put it in our cupcake pan. So I am gonna spray these with pan, so it doesn't stick. We can just eat. Once you've put everything into your muffin tin, we're gonna put it into the oven, again at 375 for about 20 to 25 minutes. Just check on it every now and then. While we're waiting for that to finish cooking, we're gonna make the dressing, I guess you can call it. What we're gonna do is we're gonna take about a half a stick of butter. Butter. Put it in a microwave safe bowl. Now this is going to be for all of our tuna muffins. And then I'm going to put a little bit of seasoning salt, probably about a teaspoon. Mix that in there too. And then I'm gonna finish it off with some parsley. And this is gonna be kind of like a drizzle. Again, a teaspoon maybe. And then I'm going to microwave that, melt it down, and then we'll drizzle this on top of the tuna muffins. We'll also add some lemon juice, and then we'll drizzle it on top of the tuna muffins. I just checked our tuna muffins. And they're cooking up so delicious. They're getting nice and brown and crispy right on the top. They're gonna be so good. I can't wait to have them. Once your butter's been melted, just stir it up a little bit and mix it. Then add some lemon juice, because tuna and lemon always go together. This one, I don't particularly love a lot of lemon juice, so just a couple dashes here and there. Mix it all up. And there you go. It's hot in this dress. I'm cooked. Our muffins are done. Thanks for the hand today thing. Make sure you drizzle on some of your topping stuff. I'm calling it. Delicious, guys. So easy, so convenient. If Tish can cook it, you can too. Thanks for watching.